This one's about human rights and all that, you know. Oh, I knew a man who got fired in the can for speaking the truth. And I knew a soul that was broken and soul for breaking the rules. I know killers and I know healers, and I know a caged bird from both. I knew a place and a face that once looked young, and I knew a time with a reason and rhyme, but I now realize I don't. I know jugglers and I know smugglers, and I know a caged bird from both. And I knew a whistler who once blew a tune too hard, and the tune that he blew we should never disregard. I know jugglers and I know smugglers, I know killers and I know haters, I know winners and I know losers, I know users and abusers, and I know a caged bird from both. So free the man, free his ideas. I know winners and I know losers, I know users and abusers, I know jugglers, I know smugglers, and I know a caged bird from both. Nice one. Thank you.